we go. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Good job. Nice. Here we go. Sing it. And there's Monday. There's Tuesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Sing it. Sunday. I can't hear you. Louder. Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. All right, let's figure out our pattern. Say it with me. We have, remember, our clover and the hat. So say it. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover. All right, remember we have no school tomorrow because it is Wednesday. We said it was going to be sunny today, and it is. It's supposed to be pretty nice today. I'm excited. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for when you are not here at preschool? Rainy weather. Oh, yuckaroo. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let's sing. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, counting to 15. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. All right, we're going to count backwards from 5. Let me hear you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, let's look at some colors. What color is disgust? Green. Good job. All right, what color is anger? Red. Right here, eyes. Right here. What color is my triangle? White. Looking at shapes. What shape is brown? What shape is brown? Diamond. What's the other name for diamond? Rhombus. What shape is red? The circle. What shape is yellow? What shape? All right, our nursery rhyme this week is row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. All right, our letter this week is the letter T. We have tomatoes, Tia, Teen Titans Go, and turkey. We're building the letter T. Let's stand up and think about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. All right, here we go. Get ready. Letters, start your letters at the top. 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 Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Now we're going down. Reach down. Good job. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? You start your letters at the top. You start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Top. All right, good job, friends. All right, now we're going on. We're making the letter T. What letter? T. And T is a center starter. So you can see I have a star on my mat now because it starts in the center of my mat. I grab my big line and I put it under the star. Because I don't have Mr. Matt's smiling face here because it starts in the center of my mat. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my little line and put it at the top. Because I'm making the letter T. What letter? T. T says, can you wag your finger at me? Shake that finger. That's right, just like that. Wonderful. My turn, hands in your lap. Listening ears are on, inside voices are off, hands in your lap. My turn. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top. One more time, eyes up here. My turn, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top. Your turn, fingers up, and we say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top. What letter is that? T. What letter?
T.
What letter is this? T. What letter? T. What does T say? Excellent. Thank you for joining us for Circle.